Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Archero 2 best weapons. In Archero 2, selecting the right weapon can dramatically influence your gameplay, and currently, two weapons stand out as a top tier choices. First, the Oracle Spear. Part of the Oracle set is a prime example of a meta weapon. Its high critical damage and combo based passive make it incredibly effective, especially when paired with fast attacking skills, allowing you to chain hits and maximize damage output. While it slightly falls behind a crossbow and boss DPS, its versatility in regular combat is unmatched. Speaking of the crossbow, obtainable from the Midstone chest, it excels in builds with multiple projectile skills, as its on-hit passive scale with each projectile, making it ideal for area damage and crowd control. While the dragon set offers added benefits like healing and shields, the weapon itself is strong, well-rounded, and complements many playstyles. Overall, the Oracle Spear and Crossbow remain two of the most powerful weapons currently available in Arc Hero 2. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.